Welcome to a quick and clear guide on how to disable accepted follow request notifications on Instagram. If you're tired of that constant ping whenever someone requests to follow you, this update will help you take control without missing any other important alerts. First, head to your phone's settings. This is where you manage how apps behave and how they communicate with you. Once you're in settings, look for the apps section. The wording might vary a bit by device, but you're aiming for the list of all installed apps. Next, find Instagram in your apps list. Tap on it to open the app-specific settings. Here you'll see options that affect how Instagram interacts with your device. Tap on notifications to dive into how the app notifies you. Inside notifications, you'll see various categories or channels that determine different kinds of alerts. This is where you can customize what you want to be alerted about and what to silence. Look for the category labeled Accepted Follow Requests. This is the switch you'll adjust to stop those specific notifications without turning off everything else. Toggle off the Accepted Follow Requests option. Once you switch it off, your phone will no longer surface alerts when someone sends a follow request that you would normally need to approve or respond to. This change can help reduce interruptions while you're scrolling, posting, or focusing on other tasks. If you ever want to revisit this decision, you can come back to the same menu and toggle the accepted follow request category back on. You'll regain those notifications whenever you choose. A quick tip: turning off these notifications doesn't affect other Instagram alerts. You'll still receive likes, comments, messages, and general activity updates as you normally would.